Upgrade your bathroom with the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure. This breathtaking 1600 by 800 mm masterpiece harmoniously blends flair and functionality. Imagine stepping into a wide, airy shower that has the feel of a deluxe spa getaway in your house. The superb chrome finish gives a touch of luxury, while the frameless side panel and sliding door provide a modern, sleek appearance. With 6 mm toughened safety glass, you can enjoy a shower without worry. This adaptable beauty can be fitted in any layout, making it an ideal choice for every bathroom arrangement. The sliding door design eliminates the need for additional swing space, providing an excellent space-saving alternative. Don't simply update your shower. The Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure will transform your complete bathroom experience. Make an impact by transforming your ordinary shower into a sumptuous retreat. Discover this and the rest of the Kartell shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.